How's it going, everyone? This is SuperTales22, and welcome to this gameplay.
Get ready to party till you drop in Super Mario Party.
Alright.
Hope you enjoy it.
Oh, I'm excited.
Oh yeah. Ready to see who's going to be playing.
Okay, Toadette, you're gonna be the ones calling him out.
Okie dokie. Alright, so the first one's gonna be Mario.
Hello.
And the second one's gonna be Princess Peach.
Oh, sweet. I get to play.
And then Waluigi.
Waluigi time.
And finally we have Rosalina. This ought to be great.
Ooh, that sounds exciting.
Oh yeah. Well, now we decided who's going to be playing.
Oh yeah. That's exciting.
I wish you the best of luck, Peach. Thanks, Daisy. And you too, Rosalina. Why, thanks very much.
Oh, I got excited. I was dancing there.
Oh, mamma mia.
So anyways, now that we decided who's going to be playing, let's go.
Alright. Oh, he's dancing there.
Oh yeah, let's get the grooving.
Let's go.
Okie dokie, we're here.
Oh, this is exciting.
Oh yeah. Oh Waluigi, you're playing up against your lover.
I can see it.
Oh, lovebirds. Oh Mario. Oh yeah. Let's go.
This is going to be exciting.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be fun.
I'm excited for this.
We'll do normal. There we go. Alright, here we go. Hello.
Hi there.
Waluigi.
Greetings.
Oh yeah, time to dance. Hello. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's get the grooving.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, I wish I can wave here. Oh yeah. Look at me go.
Here we go.
Waluigi jam.
Oh yeah, Mario time. Okay, we get to do this. Hit the blocks at the right time. Here we go. Boop. Boop. And boop.
Oh.
You did the red. If you time it just right, you get the red coin.
Oh, I missed that one.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh yeah. Ahoo. Oof. Ow. Missed it.
Ah.
Oh. Oh my. Mamma mia. Ooh. Got a nice a couple times. Ooh. Ahoo.
Oh,
Oh nice. Boop. And
oh, did that one perfectly too.
now we get to hit this one as many times as we like. Get me all the coins. Okay, next.
Oh, it's this one.
Flip the panel. I'm doing the movements beforehand. Hey, look, it's me and you. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, it's the enemies. It's the bad guys. It's
oh, sweet.
Daisy.
There's me.
Goomba. And the Boo. The Boo. It's me.
And there's Yoshi.
Yoshi.
Oh, there's me.
Oops.
You didn't flip the Peach. Oh,
Oh.
Rosalina.
Oh, there I am.
Oh, the camera turned off there. Oh well. Oh, but
There was one of me that the camera missed.
Oh yeah.
That's a shame.
Okay, and this is the last one. We're gonna do this, and then we go. Look at me. It's me. Mario.
This is fun. How am I supposed to march if I'm hovering?
You're not really hovering there. It's me.
Looks like I'm walking by the look of it.
Oh yeah.
Kinda does.
I can't tell if you're floating or not. Oh, wait to get stuff here. And here we go. It's me, Mario.
1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4.
And Mario time. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
This is fun.
oh. Okay.
Oh, the other way.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it's a Mario time. Oh. We go. Oh, had to cut that scene there because the mic wasn't in.
Oh,
Hello.
that's odd.
Oh yeah, the little
Ooh,
microphone.
this is fun.
Oh yeah, I wonder who's going to win.
Sweet.
Oh,
Wah-ha.
Mario. Okay, let's see who wins.
Oh, I'm excited.
I think it's going to be me or you, Peach. Or maybe Waluigi, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Guess we'll find out. Who's it going to be?
Oh, it's you.
Mario! Oh, Mario's hit the dance floor tonight. It's a Mario time. Mario's number one. Wahoo!
Nice job.
Oh,
Earned it, bro.
oh, yeah. Had so much fun. Well, that's that.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh yeah, I enjoyed dancing.
Great job for you. Great job for you winning, Mario.
Oh yeah.
It was great playing with you in this one.
Oh yeah, it was a pleasure playing with you too.
And Waluigi as well.
Oh yeah, you did great, Waluigi.
Oh, yeah.
You did great, Rosalina. Oh, thanks, Daisy.
Oh,
Oh,
well, I had a lot of fun.
me too.
I mostly did as well.
Don't count out Waluigi.
Oh, Waluigi.
Well, anyways, that'll pretty much cap off this one, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. So we'll see you folks in the next one. See you soon.
Take care now. See you soon.
Waluigi is out.
Farewell.
Bye bye.